Alright, in this video we will discuss about the Python arithmetic operators. Okay, so as you have seen in the last video, we can do some basic mathematical operations using Python. So arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations. Okay, so we have addition, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, we have division. So these four are common ones. Then we have some special ones. We have modulus, we have exponentiation, and we have floor division. So in this video, we will discuss all of these, and in the next video, we will discuss all of these. Okay. So now what we can do, we can just add print and do something like 3 plus 2. Okay. Hit save and run the program. As you can see, we are getting 5. Okay, awesome. Then we can do print. Let's do 5 plus 6.0 and let's see what happens. Okay, so if we do that, then we are getting a floating point number. Okay, all right, then we can do the subtraction as well. So print, let's do 10 minus 6. Okay, as you can see, we are getting 4. We can do multiplication. So print, let's do 5 multiplied by 6. Okay, hit save and we are getting 30. And if I just do something like print 5 multiplied by 6.0, then we will get a floating point number as usual. Okay, which is good. Now let's go to division. So print, let's do something like 4 divided by 5. What do you think will happen? Let's find out. As you can see, we are getting 0.8. So whenever we are dividing something, we will get a floating point number. So if I just do something like print and let's go with 10 divided by 5. So it should be 2, right? But it will be floating point 2. Okay, 2.0. All right. So these are all of the basic operations which we can do. Basic arithmetic operations. Okay. Now, if I just go here, there is a order of operation as well. So if you have learned about PEMDAS, so basically it is an acronym to remember the order of operations in mathematics. So it will be parenthesis, exponentiation, multiplication, division, from left to right, addition and subtraction. Okay, so this is the order. All right. So if I just do something like print and let's do something like 5 times 6 or 5 plus 6 divided by 2. Okay, if I just save that, then let's see what we will get. So run the program. As you can see, we are getting 8.0. So what exactly is happening? Okay, first of all, this is happening. So 6 divided by 2, it is equals to 3. And we are just adding basically the 3.0, because whenever we are dividing something like 2 integers, it will be a floating point number. So that will be 3.0 and we are adding 5 plus 3.0. So we are getting 8.0. So in case if you want to change the order of operation, what you can do, you can just add the parenthesis here. Okay, so parenthesis will take the lead here. All right, so if I just run the program once again. Okay, all right, so this might happen. So let's go here and let's delete this file. Okay, and now let's do this. All right, so if I just run the program right now, as you can see, we are getting 5.5 here, right? So what exactly is happening? First of all, 5 plus 6 equals to 11. And then we are dividing that 11 by 2. So we are getting 5.5. Okay. All right. So this is the basic operations. So these are the basic mathematical operations in Python. So before moving forward, one other thing which I want to point out here is that how you can access the course code. Okay, so if I just go in my browser, as you can see, I have created this public GitHub repository, and here I will be pushing all of the code. Okay, so as you can see, we are having 4 commits right now. So if I just click on this commit, the last commit was the lesson 3 numeric data types. So if I just click on this one, so I have added the diagram as well. In case if you are wondering, you can go to draw.io and see the diagram, and here is our Python file. So in case if you do not know what exactly is Git, so basically these red lines indicate that hey, these were removed, and the green lines indicate that hey, these lines are added. Okay, so if you want to access the code, you can just go to my GitHub. Okay, for the Python codes, I will add the link to my GitHub repository in the description of the video. Okay, and you can go to the commits and you can check out the course code. Awesome. All right, so these are the basic Python arithmetic operators. Okay, in the next video, we will have a look into these 3 Python arithmetic operators as well. Okay, all right.